Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate website testing with Selenium, full guide step by step clearly. To automate website testing with Selenium, first, ensure you have a supported programming language installed.
Python is widely used and recommended for beginners. Start by downloading and installing Python from the official Python website. Once installed, open your terminal or command prompt.
Next, install the Selenium package using pip by running the command pip install Selenium.
After installation, download the appropriate WebDriver for the browser you intend to test.
For Chrome, visit the Chrome driver site and download the version that matches your Chrome browser.
Once downloaded, place the WebDriver file in a known directory. Next, open your code editor and create a new Python file for your test script. Begin by importing the Selenium WebDriver at the top of your script. Next, initialize the WebDriver by specifying the path to the WebDriver executable.
For example, if you're using Chrome, use WebDriver Chrome executable_path equals path/to/ChromeDriver. Now, you can navigate to a website by using the get method of the WebDriver. Write a command like driver.get https://example.com to load the test page. After loading the page, you may want to locate elements using various locating strategies. Use methods like find_element_by_id, find_element_by_name, or find_element_by_path. Once you have located an element, you can interact with it. For instance, if it's a button, you can click it using the click method. You can also input text into fields using the send_keys method. After performing actions, consider implementing assertions to verify expected outcomes. Use the assert statement to check conditions, such as checking the URL or the presence of an element. Once your test script is complete, you can run it from your terminal. Monitor the output to ensure the test executes smoothly and reports accurately. To enhance your testing suite, consider adding more test cases or using testing frameworks like PyTest. Finally, review the results and adjust your automation scripts based on any failures or necessary updates. With practice and exploration, you'll be able to create robust automated tests using Selenium. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.